But
that was
really
fun. Welcome back, Beauty Junkies. I'm Caitlin.
I'm Emily.
And today we're going to be doing a beauty swap video.
So we're gonna do each other's typical makeup look. I'm gonna be doing Caitlin's like matte, smoky look. She's gonna do my glowy bronze look and see what happens. I'm like kind of nervous, but excited.
We're just going to take off our makeup so we can get straight into it.
There's mine. Thank you. What do you normally start with?
Base.
Okay, cool, me too. So much matte.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, okay. So you use the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless foundation.
Yes.
And how do you put it on?
I use a brush like this. So there you go.
Okay. I do not normally put my foundation on with a brush.
Oh, how do I have to put mine on then?
Oh. This. It's so
I
nice.
never use a sponge.
It's the Stila like beauty sphere. It's so good.
NARS Sheer Glow.
Yeah, it's good.
Not as full as what I'd normally do, but
I reckon it's buildable though. Like you can definitely get it to like a medium to full and you just start in the center of your face and just bounce it around. It's a really quick way to do your foundation. It's like super flawless as well. Is this how you
oh yeah.
Am I getting
Love
it?
it.
Muscle. See how much faster that is with this?
What do you normally do for concealer?
Yeah, bare skin.
I do
Bare
like
minerals.
this one actually.
It's so nice because it's really, I find it really full, but really thin consistency. Okay, NARS Radiant Creamy with a brush.
A brush?
So I'll just put it on my hand and then just brush it on.
Yep. And then I just normally use my finger and just kind of smooth it out.
So I just like apply it straight onto my face, like just stripe it like underneath your eye and I just blend it out.
I just automatically went straight onto my hand, but
That's cool.
I just go like that.
How bright do you make it? Quite bright. Quite bright. I don't normally use my finger to put my complexion products on.
I like it because it kind of melts it into
Yeah.
the skin a bit more.
It is nice. I'm gonna use like some shadow insurance and concealer on my eyelid.
Correct.
This is a cool little like concoction.
It still like neutralizes the lid, but the shadow insurance makes it like not crease and stay on for so long. What's your next step?
I have a couple of cream products that I then use. So I lay down a cream highlight and some contour / bronzing.
Okay. What do you start with, contour or highlight?
Whatevs, it's fine. Maybe the highlight. But this is really nice. It doesn't like lift your foundation. So I can just draw it like straight on the high points of my face.
Just draw it straight on.
Yeah, like the little C shape here. And then I use my fingers to just pat it in. I mean, I would put a little bit more on.
Okay, a little bit more. Let's get heavier.
And then I put a little bit on the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow as well. And then my brow bone.
Amazing. Will do. Now for you.
Yeah, do you set this now? Do you put a powder on?
Yep. Hourglass dim light.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
Even on the old concealer?
Uh-huh.
Just with a fluffy brush?
Yes. Just draw straight on with this again.
Yes, okay. I try and like angle it so it's not like the full surface. So I don't get like this big.
At the corner.
Yeah. And so I kind of draw like a line here and then like the top part of my cheekbone. So not like
More
underneath
like
here.
bronzy, not so contoury.
Yeah, I'm not going for like hectic contour. I'm going for dimension.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Perfecto.
Do you normally go in heavy with it or just like subtle?
I start light and work it up if I've had too much pasta the day before and I need to really get in there, you know, find my cheekbone again. Am I powdered?
Yes, nice and matte.
Now that you've done all your cream products, you can start layering powder. So I take the banana powder and set underneath my eyes. Just get in there.
Hold up for me.
Yeah. So that. I don't like putting heaps of powder on if you haven't figured that out already. And I go over the lid a little bit with what's left on my brush. And the banana powder just helps brighten it.
Amazing.
And then I kind of like do this, like underneath where you put the cream contour so it's a bit cleaner. You know what I mean? What's next? for
Next
you?
is bronzing.
Okay, with the, is it Hourglass?
It is.
Radiant. Okay. What, did you take a fluffy brush?
Something
Contour
like that.
Really?
Blush brush. top of cheekbones again. And I like to bring a little bit around the forehead as well. Do you want me to go in with some blush or something?
You can use a bronzer now, actually, like a powder bronzer. Yeah. So basically, I do like the 3.
Yeah.
I bring it down my neck, kind of just lightly touch either side of my nose and around my hairline.
Okay.
My ears.
I always forget.
And
about
like
my ears.
here.
Do you like to keep it quite natural or a bit more like?
I don't mind a little bit.
A little bit of a carve?
I would put a little bit more. You don't have a blush?
Not for this kind of look.
You don't
I
have
like
blush
it
on?
really like focus, warmth on the eyes and then just like bronzy face. Yes,
I put like 2 or 3 blushes on, dude.
And then,
Please tell me you put highlight.
Yes.
Okay.
You can go in with highlight now. Which one of these do you want me to use?
Both. I think blush, like, you can layer blush. People should not be scared of blush. So the Radiant Magenta is really awesome because it gives you like a pop for your apples. But then the Incandescent Electra is like corally and great for like the upper part of your cheek.
Okay.
And
What
then I
brush?
usually use my, like a blush brush. This is
Cool.
good. And I'll put it on my eye as well.
Blush on your eyes.
Yes. But you do your cheeks first and then
Okay.
don't worry. This is so good. Now I feel a little bit more like myself. Do you put a lot on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because I've just put a lot.
I've never actually used this colour blush before.
I think like people get scared because it's kind of purplish in the pan, but it looks so good. Blush is such a flattering thing to have on your face. It just makes you look healthy.
Do I have enough on? Because I feel like I have enough on.
Yeah, no, you're good. Can I put highlight down here? Is that what you
put
do?
it on your chest
You're
if
into
you
that?
would like to.
Yeah, well, I gotta find my collarbones somehow.
What brush do you use for highlight?
I like a nice fluffy one. Go in with like a clean blush brush.
And
It's
where do you
good.
put it?
A lot of places.
Okay.
So essentially everywhere you told me to put it, like that C shape around your
Yeah.
eye. Definitely go ham on your brow bone. I like to run it over my eyelid as well. Did you put blush on your eyelid?
No.
Don't
didn't.
forget a step.
Okay. Sorry.
And then, but I like to, I'm not afraid to like bring it across my forehead either. Like not heaps.
I'm putting some of this on my chest as well.
How am I looking?
I think you might have gone a bit overboard with the highlight.
Overboard with highlight.
Yes. We're going more matte. Maybe just get some more dim light. Turn it down a bit. Dust it around.
Can you tell I'm really happy about this? Am I matte enough for you now?
It's better. Good.
Okay.
Good.
This is as mad as I'm gonna get. I'm sorry. Do you do like eyes, brows, lips? What's
I
your
normally
next?
do brows. Then
Brows
eyes.
now. Okay, cool. Well, I normally would do for this look eyes first. So I would just grab the bronzer and a nice fluffy eye brush and just wiggle it everywhere. Give it like just contour the eye a little bit. All right. Well, at least you use the same brow product as me. So
Oh, thank God.
something's familiar. Are you like a fluffy brow gal, or you're more into defined brows?
I love a good defined brow. What about you?
Fluffy. I mean, whatever the opposite of you is.
My eyes looking defined enough for you now?
I like to take it underneath a little bit as well, just with the same brush. Just go to the darker side of the bronzer. Focus on that outer third.
What next?
Glitter. I think
Gold
wearing
glitter.
glitter in an everyday look is absolutely acceptable. So I just decant a little bit onto my hand and then use like my ring on my pinky finger and just focus it kind of like the inner corner highlight and then just kind of like brush it out.
I'm actually quite liking this eye look. It's easy.
Why do you sound so surprised?
Because normally I'm like smoky shadow liner.
Yeah, the eyeliner. That's not my normal.
Are you
not my
excited?
normal jam at all.
Do you not do any eyeliner normally?
Mm-mm.
We use the same mascara.
All right, good.
Good.
I gotta get full smoky on my eyes now.
Yeah, smoke it up. So,
Make it a heat.
yes. Okay.
Where are we going with this? What colours are we gonna use?
Start with Wild Thing. Kind of all over the lid and then really like blend it out through the crease.
This colour is amazing.
I know, right?
You take this under your eye?
Yep. Do I go in with brows now?
Yes, please. I like a fluffy brow. And then the brow gel after, so they look fluffier.
So once you've used that orange colour, go deeper from the lash line with the darker red. You can go same brush or you can go something a little smaller to get more definition.
Yeah, that might be better. So in with Heist.
Yep.
Keep it close to the lash line.
Yep, and
And
then
on the
just
mobile lid.
build it up.
Does it go underneath this colour?
Yes, it does. My brows are not too defined, are they?
No.
Just need to
Perfect.
add some of the volumizing fiber gel just all through it.
The whole thing. Am I smoky enough?
Yes. Now just add a bit of liner.
Oh, okay. I forgot about the liner.
So it's just a brown pencil. So just do it like real smudgy, no
In
definition.
the waterline?
Just
Or on the lid?
waterline lid. Sometimes I even just smudge it in with my finger as well.
Yeah, there's not a lot of technique with what I'm doing.
No.
I like it.
You like it?
It's surprising to me. Lashes?
Yep. Just pack on that mascara. I'm gonna do another coat as well.
Lips.
Yes.
You're into your matte lip colours, obviously.
am,
Like, I'm a gloss gal.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
So, I never wear just gloss.
I'd never wear matte.
That looks so good.
It's pretty cool tone for me. Like, I'm normally into
I
like
do
warm
love a cool
tones and
lip.
peaches and stuff. I do not feel like myself. I like it. I like it, obviously. Dewy Skin Mist. I like to hold my hand in front of my face so the center of my face doesn't get too glowy, just the sides. So we're done.
We're done. How do you feel?
Like you.
You guys should definitely try it at home with your besties.
Yeah, it's loads of fun. You'll get to learn some really fun techniques. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to
Like
and subscribe.